In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create and implement pop-ups on your website. So I'm going to be working with this first website here, and I'm going to go into Graphic Tools and the Graphics app. Now we do have pre-built templates for pop-ups, so I'm just going to go into Open Template and this pop-ups section. And you can see some of the templates here. They're all editable. Now for this example, I'm just going to take the first one here. And I'm going to want to change this blue color to more match my website. I'm going to click on the text here. And you could choose from one of these colors, but I got the color code for the green on my website. So I'm just going to paste that in. I'm going to do the same thing for this button. And maybe I'll take this block and just make it a light green. Now I'm going to hit save, and that's going to save this pop-up to my graphics folder for my website. Now I can exit back out. And I'm going to go into Edit Site. And you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, whatever page you want to put your pop-up on. And I'm going to go to the Miscellaneous tab, and we have this Popup Graphics section. I'm just going to drag that right onto the page above my footer. And now this isn't going to show up on your website. This is just a section that allows us to edit our pop-ups. So I'm going to click on there and add an image. And we're going to see the pop-up that I edited in the graphics app. I'm going to select that one. And we have delay time, which is the amount of time it takes from loading your web page for the pop-up to show up. We have the radius, which is going to affect the roundness of the corners. And we have a link. So I'm going to link this particular one to the credit app. But you could also link to any other page, an external page, or based on vehicle types or categories. So I'm just going to apply those changes and then save. And publish my changes. And now we wait 5 seconds. Our pop-up should come up. There we go. So if I want to exit out of this pop-up, I can either hit the X here or just click anywhere off the pop-up on the screen. And that's going to dismiss the pop-up. And also if I click on the button or anywhere on the pop-up really, it's going to bring me into my link. In this case, brings us to the credit app. And that's all for this tutorial.